Subscribe to our channel for the latest updated videos. In the heart of a charming village called Harmony Haven, there flowed a mystical river known as the River of Gratitude. It wasn't just your ordinary waterway, it sparkled with hues of gratitude, reflecting the collective appreciation of the villagers for the blessings in their lives. For generations, the river had been a constant reminder for the villagers to be thankful for the simple joys and abundance surrounding them. The water's soothing melody echoed the contentment of a grateful community. The village elder, wise and observant, noticed the changes in the river's flow. Concerned, they gathered the villagers at the riverbank to address the issue. See the village elder addressing the community by the diminishing river of gratitude. We have been blessed with the river of gratitude, but it seems our collective thankfulness has waned. The river responds to our appreciation, and we must rekindle the spirit of gratitude within us, the elder proclaimed. Realizing the impact of their oversight, the villagers came together to rediscover gratitude. They initiated a series of activities to express their thanks for the beauty of nature, the warmth of friendship, and the abundance of their lives. See the villagers engaging in various activities to express gratitude, such as planting trees, sharing meals, and helping one another. With each act of thankfulness, the river responded. Its flow began to rejuvenate, and the once diminished waters regained their brilliance. The river of gratitude, now flowing with newfound vigor, became a symbol of the villagers' collective appreciation. They continued their traditions of expressing thanks, ensuring that the river would forever remain a testament to the power of gratitude in fostering a harmonious community. And so, picture a final image of Harmony Haven, with a vibrant and flourishing river of gratitude winding through the grateful village. The story of Harmony Haven and the River of Gratitude spread far and wide, inspiring other communities to recognize the importance of appreciating the blessings in their lives, ensuring that their rivers of gratitude would forever flow with abundance.